it's not that safe. So I'm like, okay, let's sleep inside the cab. I'm literally at the border with South Africa now. And this is the first night alone with Rafiki here in Botswana. To live and during COVID and je suis trop contente d'être là. After 3 weeks with a friend, I was finally back on the road alone. So far, I drove through Tsabong, Kang, Hansi, Maun and Orapa to meet my host family in Gaborone. Today, and after 10 private days together, I'm going to drive to Goo-Moremi because the plan is to head north again. But before I hit the road, I enjoy Gaborone to buy enough food and other stuff for the next days, which I have to store in the fridge and anywhere I find some space in the cab. Because yep, I try not to open the load bay in public for safety reasons. The fridge is full. I need to tidy all this and I'm ready to go! It's been 2 hours. I'm looking for a spot to poopy and and yeah, I can't find a spot on the road because there is always something, or cows or people or I can park or always something, so part of the adventure. Hey kids! I'm arriving in 10 minutes to the Goo-Moremi camping. I just arrived at night at the camping, and maybe some of you remember this. Yeah, well, I decided to sleep inside the cab because I'm going to stay for just one night. I'm the only one in the camping, and the staff told me that apparently it's not that safe. So I'm like, okay, let's sleep inside the cab. Here we go. So I'm back here in the cab. Actually, I want to sleep here because I'm going to stay at the Goo-Moremi just for one night. I'm on my way to another place. And I'm literally at the border with South Africa now. And this is the first night alone with Rafiki here in Botswana. So I just want to go step by step, and hopefully I'm going to sleep well tonight. I'll let you know tomorrow morning. And I can see already, the stars and the Milky Way. It's so beautiful. Actually, I don't know how I can show you, but I love it. I feel excited. I feel like full of emotions because also I left my host family. I was so happy to see them again after 2 years. And but I've got so many other places to explore now. And it feels weird. Like, there you go. I mean, it's, here I am. So I slept 10 hours. I slept very well. I slept very, very well. It was so quiet. I was warm. Rafiki is parked down there. Look at the shower. And the toilet. Oh, cool! Look at this! In the nature! Overlanding is not just about sitting behind a wheel and driving through as many countries as possible. It's a whole experience around it. For some people, this experience lasts a few days or a few weeks, and for some others, it can last a few months, a few years, or forever. I still don't know how long this overland expedition across Africa is going to take. And I actually don't care about this. I don't want to know, and I still don't want a plan. Alone, I'm free. Alone, I'm me. No pressure, no critics, no deadlines, no rush, no compromise, no frustrations, no cliché, no rules to respect and no absurd standards to follow. I go wherever I want to go. I can hide, I can meet people, I can disappear again, I can be childish, wild, crazy. Ah putain de merde. I can swear, I can wear dirty clothes, I can make mistakes, I can scream, cry, love, I can challenge my soul, play with my comfort zone, I can enjoy a little of comfort as well, I can enjoy silence, real silence, and I can learn.
Dumela, how are you?
Fine.
Fine?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
I like it.
Oh.
I'm shy. I love your village. I passed yesterday, I was through your village. I drove through your village and it was not at night but around 7 p.m. so a bit dark, and I really liked like the road and it's a beautiful area. It's so beautiful. I love it. Really. Have a wonderful day.
Yes.
Bye. Bye. Ciao. Bye.